This video is for anybody who wants to spend 5 minutes every day on this website in order to make $1,800 in passive income every month directly into their PayPal account. Going to this website and clicking a minimum of 4 ads every single day, which will only take you a couple minutes, your earnings will soon double, then triple, and eventually quadruple. The more ads you click on, the sooner you will reach the top earner level of VIP, which will allow you to earn $1,800 every month in passive income. This is no secret hack. We just did a little bit of research and discovered that the method we're going to show you today is actually encouraged by the website. It's 100% legit and it works. It's only going to work for you if you do 3 simple things. Number 1, you have to remember that it's very important to visit this website every single day and click on at least 4 ads. Second, you're going to need to follow every step exactly how I lay it out for you. So watch till the end so nothing gets messed up, because without you knowing it, your account can be paused and other things can happen. The number 3 thing you got to do is subscribe to Online Moneymaker right now. Hit us with a subscribe, hit us with a like. We're trying to massage that algorithm, so do that for us now. Chances are you've seen other videos on YouTube about pay-per-click sites, but this one happens to be unique in that they offer something that no other site is going to offer you, and the earning potential is huge and it's guaranteed. You first sign up, you will be at standard level, which pays you the least amount of money per click. But the more time you spend on this site and the more times you click on ads, the quicker you will make it up through the various levels until you reach the top level of the Privilege Plus, which is also known as VIP, which pays you the most amount of money per click. And as you can see, once you reach the VIP member level, you can expect to be making anywhere from $1,500 to $1,800 per month into your PayPal account, passive income, just for spending about 5 minutes per day on this site. Here's the pay scale as it relates to the various levels. As you can see, for a 60-second ad at the standard level, you will get paid 1 cent. If you were a Privilege Plus member, you would get paid 26 cents to watch that 60-second ad. So you might be saying, even at 26 cents per 60-second ad, I'm gonna have to sit on my computer clicking ads all day, every day to make $1,800 a month. No. You still will only have to show activity on this site every day by clicking just a minimum of 4 ads. And that is because this website offers a secret way for you to get hundreds of extra clicks per day without you doing any of the work. And although this website does offer a very generous affiliate program, this is not the method we are discussing today. You will not have to post any affiliate links on your social media or anywhere else hoping to get a few bites. That's not what we're talking about. Instead, we will be focusing on something that I've never seen on any other website, and that's right here, called rented referrals. And what rented referrals are essentially a way for you to rent bots for a very small fee per month that will do all the work for you. They will click on all the ads for you. But as you can see, each referral only costs you 20 cents per month to rent, and that is less than 1 cent per day, but that is worth it considering the fact that each one of these bots is going to make you much more money per day than less than 1 cent. And as a standard member, which is your level when you first sign up, you are allowed to rent 100 referrals. Make sure you pay attention here because this is very important. So when you first sign up, you are a standard member, meaning that you and all your rented referrals are making 1 cent per ad that you click on. As you grow on this platform and you rise in the level system, you will make more money per click, up to 76 cents when you become a Privilege Plus member, or otherwise known as a VIP. You will make 76 cents per click, and so will every one of your rented referrals. Now, as a standard member, like I said, you can only rent a total of 100 referrals, but as you grow into each different level, you can rent more and more referrals, up to 5,000 when you are a top member. Now, full disclosure, you do need to rent space, so to speak, in each one of these levels except for standard. So It's free to sign up to this website. You can start making money on the standard level for free, and you can let that build up. But to jump into any of these levels, and you can just jump right into the top level of privilege and start making tons of money right now, it's going to cost you what they say is 40 credits per month. And that is about $39 per month, but that is well worth it considering the fact that once you're at the top level of privilege plus and you've rented 5,000 referrals, you're going to make at least $1,500 to $1,800 every month, basically on autopilot. Again, you do have to stay active every single day yourself. On your account, you have to click on at least 4 ads. If they see any inactivity on your part, your account could be paused without you even knowing it. So to get started, just go to ojoo.com. That's OJOOO.com. And when you sign up for your free account, the first thing you want to do is hit paid to click ads. And these are the ads that will pop up, and you can just start clicking on these, and I'll show you what that looks like. Very simple. You'll see the timer right up here in the left-hand corner, and when that timer is up, 5 seconds, boom. Okay, that just paid me 1 cent. Once you've clicked on about 60 ads and you've got about 60 cents in your account, the first thing you'll want to do is rent your first 3 referrals at 20 cents per month each. And by that, you'll come to the left-hand side, come down to where it says purchase right here, click on that, and you'll come to purchase referrals right here. And these will give you all the options to purchase your referrals. Now, as a standard member, which is where you will start, you are only allowed 100 referrals. Once you start accumulating more and more money into your account, you are going to want to jump up through the various levels as fast as possible. And by doing that, you will go to purchase, go to buy upgrade, and you will see that you can just jump up through these levels, keeping in mind that each one of these levels, you get paid more and more per ad click, as do all your rented referrals. And also through each one of these levels, you can rent more and more referrals, capping out at 5,000. So there is a small investment on your part, but it's a small investment to make a lot more money on autopilot every single month. And as an added bonus, we have discovered a way to accumulate funds in your account very quickly. If you come to offers right here at the top and you want to come down to Ojoo Grid right here, click on that. Now each one of these little windows, and you can see there's probably a couple thousand of them here, you can click on any one of these and an ad will pop up, and you can see the timer up here. Now for some reason, this method works with the grid. You can open up multiple tabs, logging into your Ojoo account, and run these on every one. You just got to kind of sit by your computer and keep going back and forth through the tabs, but it's by far the quickest way for you to build up funds in your account with no investment from yourself. For some reason, they warn against doing that with the pay-to-click ads, so I wouldn't even mess with that. They do not warn against doing that on the Ojoo Grid. So go out and make some quick money. Be sure to get referrals when you can, the rented referrals, upgrade through the various levels as fast as possible so you could be making $1,800 a month into your PayPal account, passive income. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. This is Online Moneymaker.